What's up, you guys? We are here in Venice today. This is my first time in Venice. Me and my girlfriend is going to have a lovely day, and I'm looking forward to doing some shopping, seeing some scenery, and just enjoying it. I hear it's a lovely place. Kind of cloudy, but we're gonna have fun. Let's go. Of course, of course. Ciao.
Oh, this is cute.
It is cute.
What did you say her favorite color was?
Her favorite color is purple.
Purple. And then what are you looking?
I'm thinking like a purse. Nothing too crazy though to get for her.
Okay.
Cause yeah, it's supposed to be some fun. Ooh, I need a duffel. I need.
Immediately talking about.
This is cool, right?
Does it fit?
Does it? This is cool. Hold on, I gotta see how this looks.
It just needs to go further on your head a little bit.
I know, I have to put my hair down. No. Alright. Okay, we can't get stuff from the first store we see though.
I know.
Famous one, the famous one.
The one that you know about from Spider-Man?
Yep, from Spider-Man. That's not a show, man.
The show.
Hold up, gotta take the views in, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Who would have thought?
Oh, there's a gondola
Basketball
there.
in Venice.
Yeah.
Yes. So, good job. Be careful.
I got you.
Oh!
There we go. We good.
On the other side, please.
And I'm on this side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not solid.
Okay. This is so cool.
This is so cool.
Gondola is for everybody.
For everybody. Man.
Sometimes the Venetian come to take a ride.
Yeah.
So they have friends from somewhere.
Huh?
And when we are in the Narrows Canal, after I show you the hidden ways, the backside of town, when we are there by Gondola,
Yeah.
they look at us up. Wonderful. They never saw inside of them.
Man. So how many rides do you do like a day?
I love my job because every day is different.
Ah,
Can be,
nice.
I can do 10,
Yeah.
20, no 1. Depends the weather, depends the season.
Right.
They
Man.
are the first.
We're the first.
Oh, amazing.
All right, we're the first, and this is everybody's first time doing it. So
Sunday morning, the people sleep.
yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Could
It's
imagine.
time for ride the gondola. Because Sunday morning,
Yeah.
the people, many motorboats don't work. And Sundays they day off.
Huh?
The
Okay.
canals are very, very quiet.
Well,
Okay.
what would be a spot that you recommend for lunch?
So,
In
let's
San Marco?
No, skip San Marco.
Skip San Marco.
wow, okay.
So if you want, there is a nice place.
Yeah.
Walking, going to San Marco. It's called Restaurant Trattoria al Vagone. Because we're like the truck's driver.
No, that actually makes
Work a
sense.
lot of
It does.
hours out of home.
Yeah.
Oh, has anybody ever fell in from the
Santa,
ground?
why would you ask
Many
that?
times.
Many times?
The beginning for us is very easy.
Yeah.
Because we cannot push.
Oh.
We cannot push balance.
Right. This is crazy.
He's not like secured in it at all.
Into a gondola, like how much do y'all have to train?
Do the year before you the drive.
Years?
See, that's what I think we saw them on the way here.
Everyone learned that with the fathers from color. It's tradition for the Gondolas.
Yeah.
Family return.
Years? That's crazy. That's like practicing basketball or any other job. Like years?
Oh my gosh, I know, it's crazy that like to be good at a profession you have to put in work.
You get what I'm saying? It doesn't look easy though. I'm not gonna lie. I probably would fall in so much if I did this.
With the right side, you can see one of the oldest buildings in Italy.
Right here.
Yeah, it's called the Turkish Palace.
Turkish
More than
Palace.
800 years ago.
Oh wow.
When Venice was a republic, with this building lived the Turkish merchants.
Oh, wow.
What?
When Venice was a republic, the Venetian politician
Yeah.
went some building to merchants from other countries. You have the German palace, the Turkish palace.
That's so
Venice,
cool.
we have also the Jewish area, the ghetto. It is the oldest, the first ghetto in the world.
What?
And this one is the first casino in the world, to the left side.
To that side.
The one
Okay.
to the left there,
Yeah.
it is the oldest casino in the world, the first one.
Oldest
Oh,
casino
wow.
About it
in the world.
in the world. It's working since 1638.
1638.
That's
1638 is insane.
that's impressive.
Nice to see, not to play.
Yeah. Is it still open?
Of course. It's open.
No way.
Yeah, gambling is always gonna be in business.
Yeah, it is.
Unfortunately.
Sadly.
Palace inside the base.
It is.
I've been there 2-3 times just with some friends at the end of the dinner,
Yeah.
just for fun. I win 3 times and no more.
No
Yeah.
more. Call it quits.
That's good. That's good.
Was a shame to see how the people spend a lot of money
Yeah. Their whole
for
lives.
15 hours for catching money.
Yeah.
Man.
See, like
I
you
like
have.
money too much to gamble.
I know. See, like you get one of these.
Well, this building to the left, I know maybe for you stranger, but this isn't a primary school.
It is?
Oh wow.
Yeah. Now it's a primary school.
Is it for the kids who like live on the island?
Of course.
Okay.
In Venice, we have all kinds of school.
Okay.
From the kindergarten till university, there are 2 universities now. A lot of students come to study here,
Yeah.
renting the apartment, the empty apartment, sharing the prices.
Yeah.
And then they don't live anymore in Venice. My wife is one of them. My wife comes from the mountain.
Oh, wow.
Was working the bar and studying university.
I find it so shocking how much they fit on this small island. Like how many things that they put here.
Pardon me?
I find it so
And
like
the restoration.
there's so many things on this island.
Everything is old.
Yeah.
We're very lucky because the great brains. Everything was homemade, handmade.
Yeah.
So sometimes we have to repair, we clean the wall, the white stone become black, you have to clean because otherwise the humidity comes inside the houses.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyway, we are very lucky because once they think different, they build forever. Thinking to the next generation.
That's
Now
cool.
it's everything for money.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Terrible day and age for that.
I was gonna say because in like Miami and New Orleans, the buildings can be brand new, but they're all sinking.
Yeah, they always thinking.
To do the restoration, to repair to maintain the town,
Yeah.
not easy because this town is built on the water.
Right.
Yeah.
This is salt water,
Yeah.
seawater.
Oh, it is?
Of course,
Oh, we did say it was a sea. Yeah.
the green line, the wall is the normal level every day.
Bruh.
This morning,
Oh, so it's a little
there
low.
was a low tide and now the water rising. In few hours, you can see the water will be higher than now.
Oh.
That's,
So we actually got here at a good time.
yeah, this is a perfect time.
Well, all the boats you see along the canals are like a cars for us, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As a boat. But we don't need to take a boat all the times when we have to do something in town because in Venice, we love Venice for the reason because walking you can go everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, we use a boat during the summertime when we have day off taking the family. We go in the Laguna because maybe you don't know, but Venice is built in the middle of the Venetian lagoon.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Around Venice, there are many small islands. The beach, restaurant, are secret island where we go for skip the tourists when it's too busy.
Yeah. I have
I
to find
love
that spot then.
I
have to
know.
go there. Wait, so how do they get to their boats? If their boat right here.
To the right, the guys living on the ground floor, open the window and jump in the boat.
Oh, from the window.
Otherwise, the door. Sometimes when there is a street to the left side, but they fire the boat to the right, or they have a small canoa for across the canal, or they do the boat stop.
Man.
When we pass, sometimes we have the people. We bring the people to take their boat.
Right. Okay. That's nice of y'all.
Yeah.
I said, because it's an island, everyone knows each other.
Yeah. That's true. That's true. Imagine, could you,
You know
imagine
what?
if you like left your key to the window and like you just couldn't get back in the window?
No, that would be crazy.
This one to the left is a high school.
It's the high
Now
school.
it's a high school. This palace is very famous because here in the 1500 we lived the Zane family. Zane was a rich merchant's family
Okay.
Oh, okay.
down during the Republic. We have more than 2,000 palaces in town,
More than 2,000 just in Venice.
just in the island. So during the palace, still have the name of the family living inside during the Republic.
Mhm.
This one was the Zane Palace.
The Zanet Palace. We'd have to look around to see if all of their stuff is like the gondola's like the same. That one's like more maroon. Is this? No, this is kind
I
of
feel
maroon.
like this one is blood red.
Yeah, we got the coolest one.
I
feel like a
know.
pirate.
Okay.
Ours is fire, bro. We got the coolest. What is it called? We got the coolest gondola in all of Venice right now.
You were about to say
I
Florence.
was about to say Florence.
When he was practicing his opening, the very first time, the rough draft, he said, "Can't wait to see Florence today."
I know. Because Florence is like the only city out here in Italy that I've been to out of like the main cities and actually visited. So it's a habit of saying, oh, today we're in Venice, Florence. Dang.
Still doing it wrong.
No, però quello si può queste cose. Vabbè, ma non vuol dire.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Thank you. What's your name?
Marco.
Marco? Seneca.
Senegal.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It was amazing. Marco gave us a great tour, great history lesson about Venice and some of the churches that was passing. I kept thinking I was gonna fall in, but no, it was amazing though.
It was extremely peaceful, a lot more peaceful than I expected. Because we went at a down period of the day, early Sunday morning, I was happy that there wasn't a lot of traffic at all on the canal. So we essentially had it to ourselves.